in 4K.
Not in 4K.
Oh wow. Yum, yum, yum. Stopped at this cute little, like, what would this be called? Like a coffee shop, yeah. And they have like different food items on their menu. I'm gonna show y'all, but we got, this is mine and it's looking real delicious. We're hungry. Yes. And this is Kaylee's. And look at our queen, looking cute. Yeah. And this is the menu, and this place is so quaint. I love it. It's very, very giving what I need. So we're in this little cute place in Idaho Springs. We just went to this place called the Frothy Cup. If you ever have an opportunity, you need to go there because it's so cool and they're so nice. And this is such a little cute town. They said it's giving 1800s. It really is. Unfortunately, me and my homies wouldn't be able to kick it here in the 1800s, but you know, we can do it now. So that's the best part.
Years old at the most. So they're kind of hanging out because the females, after the mating season wraps up, literally get to the point where they're like, nah, we're done. And they kick the boys out of the herd until spring.
Oh wow.
Go work out your testosterone somewhere else, dudes. We'll see you later. Everybody get a couple good pictures?
Yeah. That's a lake, y'all. That's a freaking lake.
And you can actually use some ice.
All the snow that's on the ground part, that's a lake. Why did they do that?
I hate this. But it's actually fun.
Yeah. Say everything to make this go so fast and throw us in the sky like this. Please. And then this turbulence.
That's that momentum. Get them up there immediately. Oh, the turbulence thing is from these little wire things. Look at it. Oh. It's going through those. Okay, see, now that makes me feel better. And it's not just...
Okay, see? Yep.
Yes.
I'm glad. Big brain energy.
That makes me feel better that we're not just going through just psychosis.
No, for real though. Like, to you, the lighting is not working in my favor right now. It keeps on making me be super washed out, or it's making me just look like a blob. So please. We're doing this, and this is how it's going to be. But this is so beautiful. Like, first of all, look at this. Like, look at this creation. Like, our world is so amazing. I'm not even going to lie.
We were scared when we first got up here, though.
Yes, we were very scared because the way the thing was doing.
If she puts in the footage of us screaming, you'll see.
And it is going in, so you are gonna see. I feel like one of them girls Drake be rapping about. Yes, period. You better hula hoop. Wow, in a circle. This is iconic. Yes.
We love it.
Oh wow. Oh, you did a wow. A transition. Period.
Performer right
This
there.
is it. This is it right here. Oh my goodness.
Of course, we enjoy finding the only Asian place in Breckinridge, Colorado.
One thing we will do is eat Asian food, period. This place is one of the top tier Asian eateries I've been to in my life. So if you ever come to Breckinridge and you like Asian food, come here. They specialize in hibachi, Thai, and Chinese food, but y'all, it's all good. It's just all good. Amazing. Hey y'all, this is a really weird angle and the lighting is low-key off, but it's totally fine. I just want to come on here and just like have a quick little chit chat with y'all while I'm getting ready. I'm doing my skincare. I just washed my face and put on my aloe vera, and I'm about to put on my lotion and oils and brush my teeth. So basically, this vlog was supposed to start on Thursday when I got to Colorado, but I got my COVID vaccine on Monday or Tuesday, one of those. And y'all, after I got that vaccine, the game changed. I had the worst headache. I had the worst body soreness. I literally was trying to film a glow up with me before I go on vacation video, but I couldn't even finish it because my lashes, I ended up taking them off because I did not have the strength to be lifting this arm. Now I'm totally fine. Like, my arm's not really sore anymore. It still hurts, but it's not sore anymore. The headaches are gone because I've been taking medication. I'm not a person that really likes to take medication, but it was a dire circumstance because, y'all, I could not even think properly. Like, it was hurting. I got my nails done, but they do not look the best that they can, but they look okay, and that's all that I needed. And my hair, y'all, it's a mess, but it worked. It worked for this little mini trip. We just went somewhere local. I'm just in Colorado. It's like right up the street from Oklahoma, so it wasn't nothing too crucial. And I've looked cute, but like, it was just really hard because like I planned out this whole little vlog situation and it did not work out the way that I wanted it to. And I was really just like, why is it every time I want to do something, it just be going left? And I'm just like, you know what? This is a part of life. Life is full of challenges. Like, stuff will happen that you don't like. Stuff will happen that pisses you off. So you just have to roll with the punches. And the way that you come up and the way that you blossom from whatever happens to you is how you go forward. It's not what exactly happened to you, because stuff happens to everybody, but it's how you get out of that situation. So with that being said, I've been vlogging since yesterday. I didn't really vlog myself that much. I vlogged myself a little bit, but I more so vlogged where we were. Today will be a more interactive, like, me and y'all. I'll try to interact with y'all a little bit better because, you know, vlogging was my original, like, love on YouTube. So I just want to get back into that because y'all actually enjoy the vlogs and y'all ask about them. So why not give it to you? So with that being said, I just talked. I didn't do anything else. I was just talking the whole time. I'm so bad at that. But with that being said, yeah, I just want to put this little disclaimer in here. Oh my God. But let me finish doing my skincare and then we'll start getting ready for the day. Hey y'all. So me and Kaylee are walking to breakfast. Please do not mind my leave out, y'all. It's been a struggle. Whew. But I want to vlog us walking. And we are at this biscuit place. It's really, really cute, and I'm excited for us to get our food. We literally walked around for like an hour and 15 minutes because there was a wait at this place. And then when we got here, they were like, we encourage all of our patrons to eat in 30 to 45 minutes because everybody deserves a biscuit. I was like, oh, what? How? What about my food? What about my food getting here? So we're just chilling. We went to this little smoke shop place, and it was so cute. The guy in there, I should have vlogged him because he was hilarious. But yeah, y'all, we're about to just wait for our food because we're hungry. Y'all, I took this little chocolate thing from there. Who knows where I'll be in 30 minutes. Here's our food. It's really tasty. Here's Kaylee's cute little
vibe.
We are doing a wine tasting at this little Kingsman winery that we found, and we get to taste 5 wines for $6. I was about to say, it really is a good deal. Why was I over here saying, please? But so we're really excited. The first one we're tasting is Chardonnay. So let me show y'all the little menu thing real quick. Thank you so much, because I was really struggling. These are the drinks. We circled the ones that we wanted, so you know. And I think I want to try one of these cocktails down here.
Yeah, the cocktails are looking.
They are looking very delicious. So yeah, this is a little setup. They gave us waters, and we had to take a little COVID test, you know, safety. And there's a little food bus out there. I'm thinking about getting this fruit skewer.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you just needed to get away? These grapes are from Colorado, from the western slopes.
Wait,
What'd you say?
so she didn't already got it?
No, she really did. Y'all, I don't know if I'll be able to like show y'all every single one, but this one is our favorite so far. It's called Mysterium, and she said it's like a Riesling and a sweet white. It's very, very nice. I haven't finished mine, but I'm about to finish it up, so.
Period.
Very nice. We give this one a 10 out of 10. Very sweet, very light.
A little bit of Merlot and Riesling.
Love Riesling, yes.
So the Riesling doesn't make it sweet, it makes it light.
Okay.
Kind of like a Pinot Noir.
Okay. Ooh.
I like Pinot Noir.
Ooh.
Enjoy.
Yum, yum. Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you.
These are our little drinks. They are the bubbly cocktails that I was telling y'all about. They're right here, and we got the pink lady, and she's very pretty. She's giving what needs to be gave.
These drinks, they're very cute.
So pretty. So we are at this dispensary, and it's called the Giving Tree, and it's really cute. They have a lot of little art and stuff. Very nice. It's giving floral. It's giving tree. Real hot girl shit.
That one house has a whole American flag in there. Isn't it so cute?
We're waiting to get our bags, and then we're going home. There's mine. It's upside down.